Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if OneNote is not responding and if the data sync is not working on your OneNote. Now, you will have to go ahead and try a couple of steps. So in order to fix a problem, the first step what you will have to do is you will have to close all the application and restart the computer. Try opening OneNote and see if you're able to open OneNote and the sync is working. In case if the sync is working, well and good, you don't have to worry about it. In case if it is not working, you might if you're using a laptop, you might want to make sure you are plugged into a powered socket. Sometimes Windows pauses the sync to save the battery power, and it might also decrease the performance of OneNote. So OneNote might stop responding. So would suggest you to connect your laptop to the power socket. Now, in spite of trying all these steps, in case if this doesn't work, the next step would be to go ahead and start your OneNote in application safe mode. So in order to do that, you will have to press Windows and R key simultaneously on your keyboard, or in the search box, you can go ahead and type run and open run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type OneNote space / safe. This would open a OneNote in application safe mode. Now check if if your OneNote is working fine, if the OneNote is responding properly. In case if it is responding properly in OneNote and the sync is working fine, it is pretty much evident that there are third-party applications within the OneNote which is causing a problem. Now, to identify which or to disable the one third-party add-ons, what you will have to do is you will have to go to File at the top left corner of the screen, go to Options. Under Options, you will see Add-ins. Under Add-ins, you will see the list of add-ons which are installed or associated with OneNote. You may go ahead and click on Go, and all the add-ons will be listed right here. Now, if there are any add-ons associated here, you might have to go ahead and uncheck those add-ons, click on OK, close OneNote and try to relaunch OneNote and see if that works. Now, in order to identify if you have multiple add-ons associated with OneNote, and if you to identify which add-on is causing a problem, you will have to use a divide and conquer method to identify the add-on. Now, after disabling the add-on, if you are able to open OneNote, and if well and good, you don't have to follow the third step. The next step, what I would suggest you is I would go ahead and suggest you to go ahead and disable the hardware acceleration. Keeping the OneNote application in safe mode, you will have to go to File at the top left corner, go to Options. Under Options, you will have to go to Advanced. Under Advanced, you will have to scroll down a bit under this section and look for Display. You will have to go ahead and check the box which says Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Click on OK. Now try closing OneNote and try to open OneNote and see if that works. This should ideally fix a problem. Now, in spite of disabling hardware acceleration, if you're still not able to fix a problem, or if this problem still persists, the next step, what I would recommend you is to delete the cache for your OneNote. In order to do that, or to identify what is the path for your OneNote cache, what you will have to do is you will have to keep the OneNote open in application safe mode. Go to File at the top left corner, go to Options. Under Options, you will see an option which says Save and Backup. Now, before deleting the cache, to be on a safer side, I would suggest you to go ahead and backup the files by clicking on Backup and Change Files Now, and it should give you a prompt which says Backup completed. Now, you will have to look for the cache file location. You will have to copy this location, open Run window, that is by pressing Windows and R key simultaneously, paste this command and click on OK. This will open up the cache location. Now, based on the version of OneNote installed on the computer, this number would change. In my case, it is 2019. That's the reason it displays as 16.0. You will have to open this folder, and you can go ahead and delete the folder which says cache. Make sure you don't delete the folder which says backup, because that's where all your backup data is located. So make sure you close OneNote before deleting the cache. You can do a right click. Now again, this is where all your backup files are located. So once that is done, you can try opening OneNote and see if it works. Now, in spite of clearing the cache, if you're still facing a problem in OneNote, the next step, what I would suggest you to do is, I would suggest you to go ahead and repair or reset OneNote. Now, in order to do that, what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start button, go to settings. Under settings, you will see an option. You will have to go under apps. Under apps, you will have to search for OneNote under apps and features. Click on this and click on advanced option. Under advanced option, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on reset. Now what this will do is it will go ahead and reset the OneNote settings, or repair the OneNote. You can click on repair, and once the repair is complete, what you can do is you can go ahead and try to open OneNote and see if it works. Now in case if it works, well and good. In case if this doesn't, for the next step, what I would suggest you is, I would suggest you to go ahead and reset OneNote. Now when you do a reset, you will have to make sure you have a backup of your data. Now in the previous step I had taken a backup. Since I've taken a backup, I will go ahead and click on reset, so the data has not been deleted. So in case if you don't have the backup of your data, there are high chances that your data will be deleted. Now, once the reset is completed, you can try to open OneNote and see if it works. In case if it works, well and good. In case if this doesn't work, the next step is to go ahead and uninstall OneNote and reinstall OneNote. So once you click on uninstall OneNote, you can that will uninstall. OneNote will be completely uninstalled from your computer. To reinstall it back, what you will have to do is you will have to go to Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store right under this section, and you can search for OneNote. Since OneNote is available for free download, it can be installed directly from Microsoft Store once you uninstall from the programs and features. So as soon as the OneNote has been completely uninstalled, you can go ahead and click on Get. That will go ahead and download and install OneNote on your computer, and this should fix the problem. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And in case if you're still facing a problem, even in spite of trying all these steps, leave me a comment in the comment section. I will come up with the possible solution. You have a wonderful day.